Antoine sur Charlotte pour le Poney Club Haras du Tulipier.
Je t'ai vu, Gwena.
No avail, that's why I'm telling you this story. Bang! I said shut up. It went bang! I said shut up. Well, I'm aware that the guy must do his work, but the paws of a man throws me berserk. He said, Captain? I said, what? 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 Once a lifetime, twice a day. If you don't work, you get no pay. I've been to the east, I've been to the west. Like most of the ones I'm dressed. Well, hello, Adam, where you been? I said, stand aside, cause I'm feeling mean. I had a gut full of you and I was feeling bad, but you're a lovely old brother, and ain't I glad? He said, Captain, I said, what? He said, Captain, I said, what? He said, Captain, I said, what? He said, Captain, I said, what you want?
Je kiffe les bruits de fortune de Drova.
Je disais à Bruno tout à l'heure.